family. First off, I just want to say a big thank you to all my amazing subscribers. I know I haven't been as consistent lately, and I truly appreciate your patience and support. It feels so good to be back with you all. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the family. Today, we're diving into something super exciting: Google Gemini's brand new feature called Nano Banana. It's an advanced AI image editing tool that lets you transform photos, swap styles, remove objects, and even keep character consistency with just simple prompts. In this tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through how to use Nano Banana so you can create amazing edits too.
Alright, to achieve these results, let's dive into our Chrome browser. I wouldn't want this video to be very long, so let's go to Chrome browser. If you have any other browser of your choice, you could actually use it. Alright, whether it's a Google, your Google browser, your Chrome browser, or Brave browser. Alright, so let's type Gemini AI. Just type Google Gemini. Just type Google Gemini. Alright. Okay. So this is it. So you select it. Okay, so when you open it, this is how the interface will look like. Remember, if you haven't used it for the first time, you have to sign up with your Google account. Okay, so I've been using it all this while, so I don't have to sign up again. Okay, so when you click on these tools, when you click on it, you see different options. You will see deep research, you will see create images, you will see canvas, you will see guided learning. So we're going to work with create images. So let's create images. Now let me tell you one of the good things that this Nano Banana does. You can actually use it to achieve a lot of things. You can use it to edit your pictures, whether it's a birthday picture, whatever picture it is. And the good part of it is that your images will be consistent. It won't change the look of your images. All right, so let's try out something. So I'm going to select I've already selected this Nano Banana, so I'm going to select this plus sign. You see an option, upload files, add from drive. So it depends on where your image is. So mine is in my files, so I'll select upload files. So I'll go to media picker. Okay, so I'm going to select this, my avatar. I'm going to select the avatar. As you can see, it is loading. All right, it's done loading. So let me maximize this so that you see what I'm doing. So I'm going to tell Nano Banana, I'm going to tell it to change the outfit and the hair. All right, so let's check it out and see if the face is consistent. Let's go. So I'm going to type this, change the blazer to a red color. Okay, also change the hair to which hair do we want? Change it to illusory coily hair. All right, so after typing whatever thing you have in mind, all right, then you select this option, just select send. So let's wait and check it out and see if it's going to change the outfit for us, and if it's going to change the hairstyle for us, and if the avatar is going to remain consistent. All right, so let me zoom it and check it out. Can you see that? Can you see that my avatar look didn't change? The it just changed the hair and the outfit. Can you see that? All right, so this is it. Okay, so now I believe you've learned something. So let's continue and see different features of this wonderful tool. So after doing this, all you have to do is to, you see how you tap on it and download, or you see this option here and, or you see this option here and download it. All right, so you have different options to download it. Okay, so now if you are using avatar to teach or do whatever thing it is, you don't have to start going back to ChatGPT, because ChatGPT messes up work most times. Most times, if you input something, it might not actually give you the right the consistent image. It might change the look of your image, and it's quite annoying. If you agree with me, you know that it's quite annoying, right? So now let's check out. Let me use another image. All right, so let me select the same plus sign and upload another image. Let's check out something. We are going to use a realistic image. Now we've used avatar, so we're going to use a realistic image. Okay, so all right, so I actually edited the prompt. It didn't give me what I actually wanted, so I edited it. So this is what I said: change the background to a more beautiful one, change her hair to a bobby short length hair. Okay, so let's hit generate and see what it's going to give us. Our image is almost ready, so let's see how it looks like. All right, so as you can see, this is what it gave me. I told it to change the background and turn the hair to a bobby hair, a short bobby hair. So as you can see, her hand is still placed in the same direction, her watch is still intact, her phone is still on her hand. Nano Banana actually changed the background, just like I said, and the hair, as you can see, is beautiful. All right, it is totally beautiful. So now imagine you changing the background of your image, and even if you want to add something else, you can even add someone standing beside you. So what do you think? Should we check it out? So let's try it out. All right, so let's go back. I want a young, dark skin, handsome man on corporate, posing beside her. Okay, so let's hit generate and see. Let's wait. Oh my god. So as you can see, a man is standing beside her and they are posing together, and as you can see, it looks real. It actually looks real. Can you see that? Let me zoom in so that you see. Her posture is still the same thing. Her phone is still on her hand and the man is beside her. Don't you think this looks beautiful? All right, this looks so beautiful. So imagine you can actually add different images. You can add celebrities. Okay.
If you're finding this helpful so far, go ahead and give this video a like so more people can discover it.
Try out some other things. So I'm going to upload another image. Okay, I'm going to upload another image and check out if it's going to change the color of the outfit. Okay, so all right, so I uploaded this image, so let's change the outfit. I'll actually tell Nano Banana to change the outfit to pink. Change this outfit to a rose pink. So let's check it out. Select generate. All right, we've worked with avatar, so now we're working with consistent character. So see if it's gonna give us the same thing that we really desire. Okay. Oh, actually, let's see. It changed it. This is not a rose pink, right? But it changed it, and it still kept the consistent character. Can you see that? That was one thing I love about Nano Banana. Right, so let's tell it to change it to blue. Change the outfit to blue. So right now you don't need to bother yourself changing outfit using Photoshop, because Nano Banana got you covered. It will keep your image to make it to be consistent, and it will give you what you want. If you want it to stand, if you want it to sit, if you want it to walk, whatever position you want it to be, your image will remain consistent. It won't change anything. Okay, so can you see that? It has changed the outfit to blue. it has changed the outfit to blue. So let's see this. Can you see? This is the original image. Now this is Nano Banana. Can you see? Can you see her earrings, her glasses, her hair, her color tone didn't change. But the lantern at the back and this plant is right there. Can you see? Isn't this amazing?
So thank you so much for watching. If you learned something new today, make sure you like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss future tutorials. Also, drop a comment below sharing your favorite Nano Banana creation. I'd love to see what you come up with. And don't forget to share this video with a friend who loves AI tools. Until next time, keep shining and keep creating.